welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be installing boho braids. Today's amazing video is sponsored by YWigs. We're going to be using 100% human braiding hair so that all the nice water waves won't get tangled together. As you know, or if you didn't know, when you use fake synthetic hair, there's a higher risk of your hair getting tangled easily, therefore making the style not last as long as it could. That's why it is recommended to use human braiding hair. Products I'm using are Shine and Gem Edges, Instant Control Edge Control, Shea Moisture Frizz-Free Curl Mousse, Expression Pre-Stretched Braiding Hair just for the base, and of course the star of the show, YWigs Human Braiding Hair. For this style, I'm going to be using the 20-inch loose wave braiding hair extensions. I love that this hair is super bouncy, super healthy, very shiny, and it was very easy to work with. No tangles, no snags, nothing. My original plan was to do knotless braids, but after installing the braids, I realized nothing about this is knotless. Basically, I am installing the hair at the root of the braid like I normally would, except this time I'm not using rubber bands. So you just kind of braid like normal when you add it at the beginning, or you can do knotless. Then I just go ahead and take some of the loose wave hair and smooth it over really quickly so it's not frizzy when I add it. And I want to keep all those strands of hair together. I put it in the back of the braid and then just braid like regular, connecting the two ends at the two ends of my hair. Continue braiding the hair down a bit and then leaving out one of those strands of the loose wave hair out and continuing to braid the rest. That's how you're going to get those free tresses of loose wave hair out of the braid. Going in with my second piece, I'm going to repeat the process from the first step, braiding that hair extension in with my braid and then leaving out a piece of the loose wave hair when I feel like it, maybe after three or four braids down the line, so it could create that ripple effect, that layering effect. Each time I'm ready to go in for another piece of loose wave hair, I'm going to clip that braid just so it doesn't unravel. And I continue with the process all the way down. Once I get to the end, that last piece of loose wave hair I add is not going to be left out of the braid. I'm actually going to continue braiding my hair until I can't braid anymore, and that's how you can end out with the loose wave piece at the bottom. All I do to secure it is put some edge control over it, smooth that over, and I'm left with 5 pieces of loose wave hair throughout my braid, including the end. So yeah, when you keep doing the rest of them, they should layer on top of each other and create a cascading waterfall of paradise. The style that I saw on Instagram is what I'm trying to mimic, and it's where they had knotless boho braids in the back, and the front row is cornrowed and some individuals so that you can flip parting sides. I'm not the best cornrower, but this definitely gave me good practice, and I learned a lot actually on how to better cornrow my hair, so that's exciting. But as you can see here, it's going pretty well, and I have the side where the individuals are. I only put 3 because I felt like that was enough, where I could part my hair to either side, left or right. And then I'm just snipping off the excess extension hairs that are sticking up. I'm finally done, and girl, let me tell you, this was a journey to be had. I am exhausted, but I think it looks really good. I didn't break any records this time braiding my own hair. I'm not even gonna tell you how long it took me or what day I'm on or what time it is right now. It's definitely morning, I'll tell you that. And the birds are chirping. But I'm always up for a challenge. Now that's one thing about me. I'm gonna cry my way through it. I'm gonna punch the air. But if I say I wanna do it, I'm gonna get it done. And that's exactly what we did. So this is my human hair boho box braid. I'm not gonna dip all of my head. I'm just gonna dip mostly the ends. And then I'm gonna put the styling foam on it. Here's the back. I absolutely love the way the back looks. I put way more curly pieces than I did the last time I did something similar to this style, and I really like that I put more curly pieces so that it looks more like curly weave in the back and you can't see the braids as much. You can see the braids more so towards the top, which is fine, but yeah, I just tried to make sure I put the curly pieces starting early, closer to the root, so that it's a seamless blend. This is what the hair looks like when it's wet. It's very stringy. I think it's really pretty. Honestly, there probably is a better styling foam to use, but I got Shea Moisture because I like the brand. But you can use any styling foam mousse you want. It is a little lighter. It's not as heavy. So if you want to use a more dense one, that's fine. This one on my hand. And just run it all throughout the hair. This human hair is really good quality from YWigs. I do appreciate them sending me this. And like I said, it's way better to have human hair when you're doing this specific style of boho braids because your hair is not going to tangle up versus if you have synthetic hair. For the leave out part, the curly ends part, that's going to tangle up really quickly. Like, you can enjoy that style for maybe a week, and then after that it starts to look like a spider web. I think putting the styling foam on it is my favorite part because it's just like doing the finishing touches. This is the cornrow section. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like dry in the morning. I'll see you guys in the AM. Hey guys, what's up? It is the next day. My braids are fully dry now, and this is how they look. Let's get a close-up of this. Get into her. Once it dried, I took a little mini paddle brush and I brushed through it just ever so slightly. Don't overdo it or you will shed all the hair. And then it kind of brought it back to life. I got so many compliments on my first day out. I guess I did a pretty decent job. I'm very hard on myself, so I'm like, could have did better. But let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this hairstyle. Also comment down below what you'd like to see next. Hit the YouTube description link to check out YWigs website and to get the same hair. They also have other products on the site, so yeah, go check them out. All their links in the description box down below. Give this video a thumbs up, like it, that's the exact same thing. Hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit the bell notification to be notified every time I upload a new video as well. The club is getting bigger and I'm just like, welcome to the party. I love it. I like seeing all you guys. It makes me so excited. I appreciate all the support you guys have been giving me, and I will see you guys in my next video real soon. Bye guys.